Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about the last part of integers, that is order of performing operations. So let's get started. And if you missed the previous videos, so at first we have to know what is numerical expression. You have already know that numerical, that is numeral means numbers. So what is numerical expression? Collection of numbers connected by one or more operations. So collection of numbers connected by one or more operations. So what are these operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and also bracket also is called a numerical expression. So see an example. If I write 16 divided by 2 plus 5, this is a numerical expression. Again, five minus 3 in the bracket plus 3, this is also a numerical expression. Now we will know about simplification of numerical expression. So you have already know the simplification rule. The rule is BODMAS. So before bracket, O for of. So of means multiplication, that is of means this. Next, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So you have already know that. So at first we have to do the operation in the bracket. Next we have to do of. Next we have to do division. Next we have to do multiplication. Then we have to do addition, and the last operation is subtraction. So there are 4 types of brackets. So see, this is third bracket, that is third bracket. Third bracket, or it is also called big bracket. Next, this is second bracket. This is called curly bracket. Next, this is first bracket. So first bracket, this is called common bracket. So this is first bracket, or it is also called common bracket. Next, bar bracket. So this is called bar bracket, or it is also called line bracket. So at first we have to do the operation within bar bracket. Next we have to do the operation within first bracket. Then we have to do the operation within second bracket, and at last we have to do the operation within third bracket. That is, this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3 operation, and this is number 4. Now we will solve some simplification. See, first simplification is 2 into 5 minus third bracket 8 minus second bracket start 11 plus 30 divided by first bracket start 4 minus 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5 in the bar bracket, then first bracket close, second bracket close, and third bracket close. So I have already said that at first we have to do the operation within bar bracket, that is the operation 7 minus 5. 7 and 5, 7 minus 5 is the operation within bar bracket. So at first we have to do this operation. So see, minus 7 minus 5 is in the bar bracket. So 7 minus 5 equal to 2. complete. Next, we have to do the operation within first bracket. So 4 minus 2. So 2 into 5 minus 4 minus 2, 2. Second bracket close, third bracket close. Next, we have to do the operation within second bracket. That is, we have to do the operation within second bracket. That is, we have to do this operation. So see, here there are two operations. One is addition and one is subtraction. So, one is addition and one is division. So we have already know that we have to do the division operation at first. So (11) plus 30 divided by 2, that means 15. So 15. So next we have to do this operation 11 plus 15 in the bracket, second bracket. So 2 into 5 minus third bracket 8 minus, and this 11 plus 15. So this means 26. So 26 and third bracket closed. So next we have to do the operation within third bracket. So 8 minus 26. So this is positive and this is negative. So at first we have to subtract 8 from 26. So we have to subtract 8 from 26, and this means 18. So 18, and what will be the sign? The sign will be negative. So this. So next we have to do the operation of multiplication. That is 2 into 5 equal to 10 and minus of minus 18. That is 10 plus 18 minus of minus 18, that is plus 18. So 10 plus 18 means 20. Therefore this is answer. Therefore the simplified value is 28. See, next minus 11 minus third bracket start, minus 6 minus second bracket start, 3 minus 5, and there is an off. So next first bracket start, 8 divided by 4 minus 1, first bracket complete, first bracket close, second bracket close, third bracket close. So at first we have to do the operation within first bracket. So there are two operations, one is division and another is subtraction. So at first we have to do the operation of division. So let's start. See, 8 divided by 4 means 2 minus 1. Next we have to do the operation 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 means 1. That is 5 of 1. Okay, because this is off. Next we have to do the operation within second bracket, and there are two operations, one is subtraction and one is off, and off means multiplication, that is 5 into 1. So minus 11 minus 3 minus 5 into 5, 5 into 1 means 5. Next we have to do the operation 3 minus 5. So minus 11 minus 6 minus 3 minus 5. That is, we have to subtract 3 from 5. So 2, and the sign will be negative. So minus 2. Next minus 11 minus. Next we have to do the operation within third bracket. So at first we have to write minus 6 and minus of minus 2 means plus 2. So next minus 11 minus minus 6 plus 2. So we have to subtract 2 from 6. So 4, and the sign will be negative. So minus 4. Next minus means plus 4, and minus 11 plus 4 equal to 11 minus 4, and the sign will be negative, that is 7 and sign negative minus, that is minus 7 is the answer. Therefore, the simplified value is minus 7. So students, today we have learnt about simplification of integers. So please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.